Now associativity. Okay, now first of all, for addition, if we have any three rational number and we are adding them like this or like this, if answer is same, then it means associativity is holding for addition. And similarly we will check for subtraction, multiplication, okay, and for division also. Now let's check it for addition. Is it or not? It will remain same or not. Now take 3 rational number, 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. Okay, so I am arranging them first. What? Now see here, minus 2 by 3 will remain same. We will first solve these two. 5 6 are 30. LCM will be 30, and I have told you how to take LCM. Okay, if you don't know, please check the previous videos. See, try to find out LCM. 5 6 30. Now this will become 18, and here 25. Okay, because we will make this denominator 30. So 6 5s are 30. So with 5 we will do multiplication here also. Same thing we have done here also. To make it 35, 6 are. So 3 6 are 8. Okay. So here what will be the answer? Now see here. Minus 2 by 3 will remain same, and here it will become how much? If we will see it. So 25 minus 18 is 7 by 30, and sign will be of minus. Got this one and this. Now 2 by minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 30. Now solve them. Now again we will find out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 30. Now see here, 3 and 30. If we find out the LCM of 3 and 30, we will get 30 here. Now make it 30. 2 by 3 means we will multiply it with 10, again with 10. Minus 20 by 30, same, it is same 30, so just solve it. Minus 20 by 30 and minus 7 by 30. Now solve them. Minus 20 and minus 7 by 30. Minus minus plus, it is 27 by 30, and sign is of minus. Got? Now if we want to reduce it, we will reduce it. Okay, if it is reducing 27 by 30. So 3 9s are 3 10s. So minus 9 by 10. Okay. Now same we will do by rearranging them. Now see here. Now first we will do this one. So 3 5s are 15. Here LCM will be 15. Okay. 10, and this one will remain 9. It is minus 5 by 6. Got? So this will keep it in bracket. Now this is minus 1 by 15 plus minus 5 by 6. Now we will find out the LCM of 15 and 6. Now see, here the LCM is 30. Now we will make it 30, 15 into 2. So it will minus 2 by 30 plus 6 5s are 30. So it is 25 by 30. Minus 2 minus 25 by 30. Minus 27 by 30. Again 3 9s are 3 10. Minus 9 by 10 is coming answer. Okay, so it means that associativity is hold for addition. Now check it for subtraction. Now see here, minus 2 by 3 will remain same. First of all solve this one. Here LCM will come 10, 8 and 5. Okay, so it is minus 2 by 3 minus by 10. Okay, now we got this. Now take LCM. It will come 30. Okay, it will come 30, 20 and with 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 30 3s are 39. Now check it. Subtract it. Now it will come 19 by 30. This is the answer when we have arranged them like this. Now we will change the arrangement. Now see here. Minus 2 by 3 minus plus 4 by 5. So LCM will remain 15. It is 10, 12. Okay. So answer is 2 by 15. Good. Now let's check here. It comes 2 by 15. Now minus this one. Now here LCM is 30. This will come 4 and here it will come 15. Okay. So it will be 11 by 30. Now see, answers are different. Okay, answers are different. So associativity is not hold for subtraction in fraction number. Okay. Now let's check it for multiplication. We can take any example. Okay, any example we can take. Okay, now do it from this one arrangement. 4 5 7. Okay, if it is reducible, reduce it here only. So it will come 2 by 3 and minus 5. Okay, so it will come 10 by minus 10 by 3. Got? Now we will do here only minus plus 10 by 6. Again it is reducible, so reduce it. 2, 3s are 2, 5s are 5 by 3. Okay, now we will arrange them like this. Into 4 by 3 into minus 5 by 2. Now check it. 2 2s are minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 2. Okay, here we can reduce. So it is 1 by minus 1 by 3 into 5. So minus plus 5 by 3. Answers are same. So now here what we will say, that multiplication is associative for rational number. What? Now let's check here for division. 1 by 2 divided by C. Minus 1 by 3 will write, and this will be convertible, and here it will become reciprocal. Got? So it is 1 by 2 divided by minus 5 by 6, and 1 by 2 again here 2 3 0. It is 3 by minus 5. Okay, this is minus 3 by minus 5. Now here we will check. It will again reciprocal here. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, it is minus 2. Okay. Division 2 by 5. 3 upon minus 2, 5 by 2. So 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are minus 4. This is the answer. 15 by minus 4. Both are different. See, here it is different, again here it is different. So what we will say, that division is not associative for rational number. What?